Amazing, like Prince Paul, the traditional. Alright, so I'm on a mission here in Vienna, Austria, and we're gonna see what is the best cafe, what is the best coffee house here. And the first one we're gonna be going to is actually gonna be Cafe Central. Let's check it out. Alright, so we're about to go to Cafe Central. Super excited. I love pastries, I love coffee, but the culture here in Austria, excited. Alright, so I had to get an appetizer because I'm starving. Some mustard, some sauce. They're really great appetizer if you do come here. I do not know what this sauce is, but it is so good. This sauce is so amazing. Like this is good. This is called a sweet roll. Crunchy, soft. It's a good sweet roll. I'm telling you guys, this sauce is amazing. Oh my god. So I got the Wiener Schnitzel with some roasted potatoes and some cranberry sauce and some lemon. Good salad. Good apple juice. Whenever you do come to Austria, it's a huge thing to make sure you try some authentic Wiener Schnitzel here. And what better place to try than at a coffee house from the 1800s. So let's see if it's good. First test. I never thought about having cranberry sauce with Wiener Schnitzel, but this is bomb. Wiener Schnitzel and cranberry sauce. Let's try the potatoes now. This has the perfect texture of butter. Like, oh, this is perfect. Oh my god. These potatoes are so soft. Oh my god. Amazing. So the presentation is amazing. Ending off my Wiener Schnitzel meal, ending off my meal with some coffee. Ending off my meal with some espresso. Double espresso shots and some orange liquor with some whipped cream. I mean, that's good. That's good. I have to love the presentation. Have to love the presentation with some Swiss chocolate. So today we're back and we are headed to our first cafe of the day, Cafe Leopold. Let's see what tasty treats we have. So today we're just gonna be eating a lot of sugar. Okay, so we're at the first cafe of the day, and today we're gonna be trying Irish coffee espresso, so some whiskey in here, and then the main thing is this apple strudel, which is a typical dessert here in this region. So we're gonna give this a go. All right, so first coffee of the day, an Irish coffee espresso. Definitely a good mix, definitely a good mix. There's something about coming to a cafe, being able to sit down, relax, and think, and just enjoy a cup of coffee and just don't rush in life. This is where we came for the apple strudel. This definitely tastes a lot better than the McDonald's apple pies. Definitely. The dough is thin, elastic, fluffy, and there's so much apple that you get in this. Oh, and it's just getting warmer the closer I get to the center. This is good. This is amazing, actually. This is amazing. Like, whatever they put in this is so good. Well, they put apple in this, but it's so good. Like, I might need to order another one of these. I told you guys, the plan is just stuff myself with pastries and coffee. This is good. I need to slow down and savor this. Let me slow down. And then the key, whenever you do have a espresso, or I guess Irish coffee espresso like this, is to make sure you're drinking some water, some H2O, since there is whiskey in there. So for this cafe, I got some hot chocolate with a shot of espresso, some milk, and some whipped cream. Always a little glass of water. And then this dessert, named after a prince. All right, so we're gonna try this traditional torta, which is named after a prince. So yeah, this was named after Prince Paul III. You can really taste the almond and the buttercream. That's good. This is one of the oldest coffee houses here in Vienna. And the thing about this place is there's no one here, and it's 3:28. Like, I have all of this to myself. And the hot chocolate espresso with whipped cream. This is the best hot chocolate I've ever had. It's having these nice red cushion seats, and then you cannot forget the chandeliers. Okay, so we just finished getting our coffee there and our dessert there. Really sweet. This cafe though, not that many people, so if you're trying to come to a cafe here in Vienna and you don't want there to be a lot of people, come around 3 o'clock, because Cafe Central, there's gonna be a lot of people in there. There's gonna be a line, always. But this cafe right here, not a line. So we're gonna head to the next cafe. It's in a hotel and it's gonna be our last one, and let's see if they have the best dessert. All right, so we're headed to our last cafe. It's gonna be Cafe Museum, and I'm going to get an apple strudel again and see if this is the best apple strudel, because apple strudel, I love it. So let's find out, and just look how beautiful Austria is, and just look how beautiful Vienna is. All right, let's go get this last pastry. Okay, so we're at the last Cafe Museum, and I got the Mozart hot chocolate, whipped cream, chocolate, and pistachio sauce with the little Mozart ball. And then the traditional chocolate cake. I cannot pronounce how they pronounce it. So let's try it. It's very spongy. Very spongy. And the chocolate is not overpowering it. I'm not a big fan of chocolate cakes. My dad is, but this chocolate cake, oh, this is good. Oh yeah, this is really good. This chocolate cake is like straight fire with the whipped cream. This is amazing. This is really good. I feel like Americans, like, our chocolate cakes are just so strong. Like, this chocolate cake is just like perfectly spongy, not too much chocolate. Like, I'm in love. This was absolutely amazing. Okay, so this is my second hot chocolate. This one has pistachio in it. The other one's better. The other one's definitely better at the other cafe. Cafe Museum, really amazing chocolate cake. But I think the apple strudel is definitely going to literally take the pastry category today. There's a couple cafes I didn't get the chance to go to, but I'm gonna put in the description the cafes I went to and what I ordered from there, and why you should go to a coffee house. The thing about coffee houses here in Vienna is there's so much culture here on coffee houses, from Mozart and Beethoven going to them, that you have to go. With that being said, if you guys have any questions or concerns, hit me up in the comments section. Ciao.